Hey there everybody, welcome to Lone Wolf Mountain. My name is Luke. This is the outdoor gear review where today I am reviewing this product right here. Now this is an interesting product and the listing for this on Amazon is even more interesting than this here. We'll get to that in just a minute. Now this is a Bushcraft Tripod. Essentially this is a setup so you can hang a stove, hang a pot over a fire. Now the name of this is ridiculous. According to the listing, let me grab my information here because this is so long, it's insane. Now, first off, this is from a company called GG Buy. This is some sort of Chinese company. I found this on Amazon. The price is $23. The name of this is Camping Tripod, Campfire Cooking Dutch Oven Tripod, Mini Adjustable Grill Tripod Cooker, Campfire Grill Stand Tripod Grilling Set, Cooking Lantern Tripod, Hanging with Storage Bag for Camping Activities. That is the name of this product according to the listing. That's pretty funny, but the hilarity continues on. Let's take a look at this product now. All right, so this is the storage bag that it comes in. Mini Camping Tripod. The weight of the entire kit, including the storage bag, is 15.4 ounces. These are all of the components. First off, you have a hook. This is to support your pot. You have your chain. The hook attaches to the chain, and that supports your pot. Then you have this right here, and this is where each of the legs screw into. Now, as you guys can see here, I'm going on to the second set of legs. This is a 3-part system, 3 sections. The last leg is rounded. The last thing you gotta do is drop your chain down through the top. There we go. As you can see, you have this piece of metal up here to stop the chain from going any further. Then you attach the hook, just like so. The total height for this tripod is 31.5 inches. Each leg measures 33 inches long. The chain is 15 inches long. At the longest point from the ground, from the hook, you are looking at a distance of 12.5 inches. Now you can raise this up and it can be adjusted. Now when it comes to the storage bag, when this thing is loaded up, you are looking at roughly 12.5 inches long. It's roughly 3 inches wide. This version here is silver, as you can see. This is an older version. The new version is black. While doing some research about this tripod, I came across a listing by Solo Stove. They have a version that looks 100% identical to this one, except it's longer. Instead of 31.5 inches, their version is like 43 inches tall, something like that. So it is a little bit different. I don't know who came up with this design. Ultimately though, there are 2 companies who are making a version of this. As you all can see here, the use of this tripod is very, very simple. You can simply set it up over your fire, put your pot on, and you can adjust it very, very easily. You can pull the pot up, you can let it go all the way down to the ground, and you can adjust this for the size of your fire. Now, when it comes to the materials for this, the company claims in the listing 2 different materials, stainless steel and also aluminum. Which one is it? I would venture to say that it's actually a combination of aluminum and stainless, depending on which component you're talking about. Aluminum legs, aluminum core, stainless steel hook and chain. That's my guess. When it comes to the quality, all in all, it's not bad. There's no defects here. There's no real issues. The biggest issue is that it costs $23, and it is a flimsy little tripod. Now let's talk about the company again and that listing. If you guys want to have a good time, check out the listing. You'll find a link down below to it. That's on Amazon. It's funny. Whoever made this product, whoever wrote that listing, they want to sell this thing so incredibly bad that they have come up with all sorts of crazy uses for this tripod. First off, they claim that one of the legs is fantastic for self-defense. I mean, I don't want to get hit with this thing. The company also claims that you can use it as a walking stick. I don't know why I have that sort of strut going on. It's like my silver pimp cane. I don't know. That's just ridiculous. The company goes on to say that it's perfect for barbecues, picnics, drying clothes, holding lanterns, and emergency use. The question becomes, would I go out and purchase this myself? And the answer is no. I do not think this is worth $23. You can make your own tripod out of sticks for absolutely nothing. It only takes a second. I do like where they're going with this. This isn't a bad idea. It is usable though. And for that reason alone, I think some people will like this. I am sure that there's some of you guys who will go out and purchase this yourselves. And it does work. You do have to keep in mind the limitations of this product. In the end, it's not for everyone. It will be for some people because it is a usable product. To be honest, the quality is better than what I would expect, really. Now, I have had some minor issues. First off, with the hook that supports your pot. This hook right here, which connects to the chain, just like so, this had to be bent so it would fit over this chain. The way that it came, it was closed off. So, small issue. The next issue deals with the storage bag. It was only hanging by a thread and easily it came apart. The quality of the bag, not very good. The quality of the stand itself, the tripod, not bad. As a bushcraft tripod, it does the job. It will get the job done. As a self-defense weapon, failure. As a walking stick pimp cane, possible. It's usable, I guess. If the price of this tripod was $10, I think my opinion would be different. For 10 bucks, it's not a bad product. For $10. For $23, it just doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't make any sense. Guys, that's my review and I'm sticking to it. If you have any questions for me, email me. Until next time, everyone, strength and honor. By the way, comment down below, share your thoughts about this little tripod. I love that listing. Make sure to go check that out. Leave some funny reviews. All right, everybody, it's time to get warm. As you all can see, it's snowing just a little bit. I got a nice fire here. Oh, man. Life is good. Bye, guys.